Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Ford Fusion door lock code. Finding your factory 5-digit code is usually straightforward. It's often printed on a sticker located in various places within your vehicle. We'll guide you through the most common spots to check, ensuring you can quickly access this important information. Knowing your code provides convenient keyless entry. Let's dive into the specific locations where you're most likely to find that crucial sticker. Start by checking inside the trunk, particularly near the latch or under the spare tire cover. If it's not there, move to the passenger side of the vehicle. Sometimes, the code is behind the glove compartment or on the smart junction box, which is typically found under the dashboard. These are the primary spots. Once you have your 5-digit factory code, using it is simple. Just enter the code on the exterior keypad, making sure to press each digit within 5 seconds of the previous one. After successfully entering the code, your doors will unlock. To lock the doors using the keypad, simply press the last two buttons, 7/8 and 9/0, at the same time. It's a convenient feature. What if your code isn't working, or you want to change it? First, re-verify the code on the sticker. If issues persist, a Ford dealership can retrieve your original factory code using your vehicle's vehicle identification number. Additionally, once you have the factory code, you can easily program your own personal 5-digit code for added convenience and security. This gives you full control over your vehicle's access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.